There are many ways to install Laravel on your development computer, but the one that I choose for this course is probably the simplest one, by using Composer. Composer is a dependency manager for PHP and is Windows, Mac, and Unix compatible. In my browser, I went to getcomposer.org in order to obtain the installer for it. I will click on Getting Started and then Installation Windows to get to the download page. By clicking on Composer Setup.exe, I'll be able to initiate the download. As soon as the download is completed, I will run the installer and will follow the required steps for this installation. Here I'm asked about the presence of PHP executable file in my system. The PHP is already available because I have installed WAMP server in my computer. You can pick another location for your PHP executable file in case you want to use another version of it. As soon as the installation completes, I'm going to open up a new command window, and by typing Composer, we can see that this has been successfully installed in my system. To summarize, in this lesson, we downloaded and installed the PHP dependency manager called Composer that will help us install Laravel in our computer. Composer is available for Windows, Unix, and Mac, and it has a straightforward installation process. In the next lesson, we'll take a look on how to install the Laravel framework itself. Thanks for watching and see you soon.